So this hack is for the itel, Infinix, and Tecno users using WhatsApp. Now, there are times where someone must have deleted a message accidentally and you want to recover that message. Probably the person cannot remember what exactly he or she sent on that message. I'm going to give you a quick case to show you how to recover that message that has been deleted on WhatsApp. I kid you not. Well guys, this is the first time you're watching a video with us. Kindly click the subscribe button, like, and share this video for more videos like this one. Now let's get started. Head over to your phone and hit the settings option. Now scroll down, you'll see something like special functions. You click on special function and you see special turbo. Now click on your social turbo rather. Click on social turbo and scroll down, you'll see peak mode. Now click on the peak mode and activate the peak mode. Once you activate it on, you get to see messages from WhatsApp appear there. And then you know what it is. You can get your messages on WhatsApp and you can also get the messages that has been deleted that you want to recover. Also, you can still go to the same social turbo to record your voice calls on WhatsApp. Yes, you can just record the voice call on WhatsApp while you're on call on WhatsApp. You can easily record it. Just go to the same social turbo, click on the voice recorder, and then enable voice record. If this actually taught you something, kindly click the subscribe button to encourage us and follow for more videos like this one.